I was homeless at one point in time, and eventually I made my way into construction. From that moment on, I worked my ass off on the tools to make sure that I never, ever go back to that chapter in my life. And eventually that construction job got me into my construction business. We've been very fortunate to do over 7 figures every year since we started in the business. And now I barely touch my tools. All we need sometimes is a little guidance. And that's what I want to be for you. And I want to show you how we have managed to do over 7 figures a year. So click the link in the bio. Let's get started. I want to help you.